Hello and welcome to Ziangs Food Workshop. I'm Chin and this is my mum, Choo.
Choo here.
Hello and welcome. If you're new to the channel, we teach you how to do Chinese takeaway food, as we are Chinese takeaway owners, and Malaysian Chinese street food, as we are Malaysian Chinese street food restaurant owners as well. 5th generation, 4th generation chefs here. So we kind of know what we're talking about, but cooking is subjective and it's always best to do it the way you like to do it.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. We're just here as a guide.
Yes. G-U-I-D guide.
G-U-I-D?
Yeah, guide. That's how you spell it, isn't it?
I don't think it is.
No, how do
It's
you
got an E
spell
on the
guide?
end.
Huh?
I think it's G-U-I-D-E.
Oh, sorry.
I could be wrong.
Yeah.
My spelling is atrocious.
Never mind. You know what we mean.
Yeah, it has got an E on there.
Yeah, oh, there's an E. It jump out, you know, it jump in again. G-U-I-D-E. Got it? Yes.
So today what are we doing, Mum?
Today we're doing smoked chicken.
Oh, close.
Smoke.
Think of something spicy.
Spicy smoked chicken.
No!
Smoked garlic chicken.
No! Like, if something's hot, what do you add?
Smoked hot chicken.
Chili, Mum.
Smoked chili chicken.
There we go.
Yeah, smoked chili chicken.
So yeah, and also if you'd like to support the channel, we've got merch on our website, chinandchoo.com, as well as our cookbook, which is only available there. I can't stress that enough. I'll say that in this video and someone will comment below saying why it's not available on Amazon. It's never been available on Amazon. Only through us. I don't know why it's on Amazon, it just is. But we'll get on with the video.
Happy cooking, happy eating.
No, and that's at the end, right? Right, so today we're actually not using our studio lights because the last few batches, because we filmed a load in one go, the exposure was terrible. Don't know why. I haven't changed any setup on the camera. Use the same equipment. Anyway, so this recipe is by a guy called David Wong, and he's part of the admin for a Facebook group called UK Loves Chinese Takeaway Food. It's got 26,000 members now. It's a really good place. There's a lot of takeaway owners on there giving their advice. There's a lot of people who've been cooking and learnt from us, sharing their versions of our stuff, and other YouTubers, and just general Chinese takeaway cooking. It's meant for Chinese takeaway cooking. So if you're expecting sort of traditional food, it's not the place to go. But if you want a community of like-minded people who like Chinese food, that is the place to be. Massive shout out to David Wong.
Hello. Hi, David.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, so here are the ingredients. First, we've got 2 diced chicken breasts, fairly chunky. I'd say about 2.5 centimeters by 2.5 centimeters. So we got half a tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of MSG, an egg, 100 mils of water, 3/4 of a tablespoon of hoisin, 2 tablespoons of this stuff here, chili douban, or douban jam, chili bean sauce, and we're using the Li Kumki brand hoisin. We've also got about 4 heaped tablespoons of potato starch there as well. It's quite an easy recipe to do. We actually haven't tried it, so we're going to be trying this along with you guys as well. But this recipe has got massive thumbs up within the UK Love Chinese page. A lot of people are cooking it and loving it. So we thought to promote that page, we'll do this recipe and
give it a go.
Exactly. So what you're going to do is, for the first step, is put your chicken into a bowl. Then you're going to add your egg, and then you're going to add your hoisin. Now this is a bit counterintuitive for us, because when you deep fry things that have something sweet in the batter, they can burn. I'm guessing this is going to be fine because it's going to be a base coat rather than on the outside. Well,
yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's good. A bit silent already. Watching.
Yeah, Mum hasn't seen this recipe. You're just going to mix this together. So we do have a pan full of oil to deep fat fry this in. I'm going to leave that to sit for about half an hour. So half an hour's gone by, and we're going to put the potato starch onto a plate or a tray, whatever you want really. No hard and fast rule of whatever you want, as long as it's flat, it should be fine.
And then put it on the table, spread it on the table.
what you can do, you want to spend hours cleaning up after yourself, yeah. So I'm going to take this out and just put it into the...
Get them all
coated.
Coated.
So here we go, we're just going to coat them. Mix it up with the cornstarch. Cornstarch, potato starch.
Get them all covered.
All covered in the potato starch.
Yeah.
Good layer.
Yeah, it's well covered now.
Now we're going to put the oil on. So we put a pan on with about 1.5 litres of oil in. You're going to want the temperature of the oil to be about 170. Okay, so in these go. Before...
That's a...
I forgot to press play on the camera, so that was my bad. It's weird cooking someone else's recipe. Do you think?
Yeah.
Especially when you've never done it before. We're literally, all I got was basically a recipe list, no method. But like, having said that, it's quite easy, isn't it, really?
Yeah. Just put everything together and together and together and together.
Yes.
It's not like watching all that oil cooking, isn't it?
Yeah.
Bubbling away. Mesmerising.
Yeah, mesmerising. Soon we will have woks and plates and stuff like this for sale on our web store. So now we're going to do the sauce. Ideally, I think the batter should have been a bit thicker.
Well, it's however you like it. I think it's good like that.
Okay. So we're going to put the water in, sugar, MSG, and the dolban paste.
Dolban paste.
Yeah. And then what you do is you make this up, mix it all in, and then you reduce it down. I have seen photos of this finished dish, and it's not very saucy. It's just like a
dry.
It's dry but not dry. So you're almost making kind of a glaze.
It's called render, that, isn't it?
No, render is when you that's fat.
Is it?
You render, yeah. Oh. Otherwise, if you're taking water out, you're reducing.
Oh yeah, okay. It's getting a bit thicker now.
Yeah, nearly there.
Still a bit watery,
yeah,
isn't
it is, yeah.
Need it like syrupy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not going to go syrupy without enough sugar. We could be absolutely butchering this recipe because, like I said, we've got that now. That's as thick as it's going to get without burning.
Yeah, I think it looks good now. Turn the heat down.
Off.
Turn the heat off and give it a stir.
I don't think there's enough sauce in there. Oh yeah, there is. No.
I think you just want it slightly coated, isn't it?
Yeah. Maybe I reduced it down too much.
And it's also how you like it. If you want it a bit more sauce, I think that's just right. It's a chili making you cough.
Yeah, it's like pepper spray in here. You really want to turn that and coat it all. Awesome, we're going to grab some rice and then test this out.
Yes, that's what we do.
That is what we'll do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what we do for you guys.
Yeah. So that's what it looks like in the pan itself. It actually looks really delicious, smells good. And there it is on boiled rice. And that's it with a chilli on. We normally have chairs.
Someone borrow our chair.
Yeah, Mum. She took them to work. So, there we go. We're going to try it now.
Let's
try it on its own first. No chilli. No rice.
Yeah. Not smell much though.
That's going to be nice when you mix it with some rice. I think personally, if I was going to do this, I'd add a bit more sugar.
Yeah.
I really like it though. I've never had this version. I've only ever had, we'll know how to do the dry version, which we will be covering in the next few videos. So, but that's shredded smoked chili chicken. It's quite Moorish. When you get it with the rice.
Like you say, you could do a bit more sugar, isn't it?
Yeah, but that's it.
Not too much, it's preference. I think it could be, it will bring out that taste more, the flavour.
We quite like things sweet because we're Malaysian Chinese, and they have things hot and sweet.
It's not sweet and sour, okay? It's hot and sweet. And it's quite nice as you bite into it, you can feel the crunch of it.
Yeah, it's really good, isn't it? It's a nice batter.
Yeah.
I like this so much, I think I might put it on my menu in the takeaway. Call it Wongy's smoked chicken, smoked chili. Even I can't remember how to say it.
Smoked
chili chicken. Worked really well.
Wongy.
Yeah. Not Wongy.
No, what is it?
Wongy.
Huh?
His last name's Wong.
Wong, yeah.
It's really good, isn't it?
What is it? You could do a bit of extra sugar and a dash of that rice wine in it. Yeah. Yeah, quite nice. Could maybe a bit more sauce, I think.
I think that was probably my fault.
To be the dry version.
I think it's meant to be quite dry.
Yeah.
But I think I I think I reduced it a bit too much, maybe. I think that's bloody brilliant.
Yeah, it's good.
So thank you very much for sharing, allowing me to share that with everyone, Wongy. Really good.
Yeah, it's
really good. I want to keep eating it. There's still more. There's loads. It cooked loads, didn't it?
Yeah.
There's enough for like 3 portions there.
Yes.
So, Mum.
Verdict.
No, yeah. Verdict.
Yeah.
Go on, verdict.
Try it out.
Yeah, try it. It really is nice. But like I said, I'd add probably double the amount of sugar. But that's just literally, try it this way first. Try this version first, then try it with a bit more sugar and see which one you prefer. Some people don't like that sweetness. So,
yeah, give it a go.
Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And thank you for being here. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And as always, Mum.
And keep subscribing. Happy cooking, happy eating.
There we go.